Please come. This is the compound. This is my living room. This is my mother's room. This is my mother's room. This is where I rear my fowls, my chickens, and in fact my guinea fowls. And then, please come here. This our kitchen. This is where they cook our food and then do everything. You see this? We call it pistol, or in Gabana we call it tole. That's where they pound either fufu or any kind of this is something that needs to be pounded. All right, so come follow me. You see, this is our washroom. That's where we urinate. We also take our bath there. Yeah, please, you can check inside, see how it looks like. That's where we bath, we urinate, we do everything there. And then this is our storeroom. Let me show you my storeroom. This is where we store our things, our foodstuffs and our valuable things. That's where we store them to prevent it, from rain beating or, spoiling. Please come. This is my room. That's where I sleep when it's night time. Please, you come and check inside. Come and see the interior. Assalamu alaikum. All right. So you see how it is. You see the roof. Let me on lights. You see the rooftop. We call this ones wara, and then we call it we say mopele in our language. You understand? This is how we roof it, and then this is the one that holds everything. Without this one cannot stand. You understand? And in our language we call it dantara. You understand? So this where I live. All right. So let me show you my living room, where I normally come out and rest. Yeah, my living room. All right. Please come. This is my living room. Please come and take inside. This is where I normally rest. Yeah, whenever I'm back from the farm and I'm tired, I just come here, sit down, rest, and this is where they'll serve me my food, and then I'll eat. You understand? We call it zong. In our language, we call it zong. You understand? And in English, we can say a living room or a hall. That's how we put it. All right, so let's go out. All right, so this is my mother's room. See, as you can see, my mother is sitting down there. She's preparing to make a delicious meal for us to take this hot afternoon. This one we call it fresh okro. In our language we call it mana. You can call it mana. For that matter. You understand? We have the dry one and we have the fresh one. So this is the fresh one. You understand? All right. So that is it. That is all I have to say about our interior. We already see how the outside looks like. So that is our culture, and that is we. Well, you can check. Maybe you can take a picture of inside and see how it looks like. That's where I rear my chickens, my guinea fowls, and sometimes my animals. That is goats, sheep, and you understand. So that is where I keep them. So I think that's all for now. Maybe next time when you come, I'll be able to show you more of our interior. And this is just our culture. That's how we live in North here. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.